Hello everyone, this is Defense Politics Asia, and this is the quick update from the Davydiv Brid Front. So at the Davydiv Brid Front, there is remember in the last update, that we see that there is a Russian air force striking the Ukrainian position at all over this region, and a lot of the Ukrainian forces have withdrawn based on that information because of the bombardment, leaving except the forces at Andrivka and some at Velyke. So everyone else have withdrawn backwards, back into the rear region. So the latest update that we have is that the Ukrainians have replaced all these withdrawn troops with new troops, and they have arrived. They have reinforced the location at Ternivka, at Luzove, Andrivka, Blahodativka, and this location that I have never reported before, Sediminuka. So this is the first time I have reported about this location. So apparently the Ukrainians are actually at this position. So, and also of course they also reinforced at Velyke. However, there is no idea what is the situation at Suky Stavok. I haven't heard anything about Suky Stavok in the latest information that I have heard. And but there is reports of bombardment by Ukrainian side on Kostromka and Bezimenne, which means that and in that report they say that the bombardment is on Russian troops, which means the Russian forces have captured Kostromka and Bezimenne, and by extension they definitely have captured Shishleve. So which means that the Russian forces is now currently holding a position over at Kostromka, over here, and at Bezimenne, which we have reported fighting in our last SITREP. Yesterday there was attack reported by the Ukrainian Defense Ministry on Bezimenne. So the front line has become like this. The bridgehead has become smaller. So a bit wasteful of all the gains in the Kherson super duper uber offensive that has not worked out pretty well. There's also information that the Russian forces have attacked the crossing, the pontoon crossing over at Velyke Artokove. It's uncertain if the crossing over here is still working, because there is no information regarding whether the pontoon bridge is destroyed. However, the information that I saw was that the Ukrainian forces at Velyke Artokove's crossing actually withdrawn from their position. So this is a quick update from the Davydiv Brid Front, and I will see you in the next update.